Welcome back on this Sunday morning as we keep an eye on Allegheny County. That's where they're expected to see a foot or more of snow over the next 24 hours. Already record breaking here in our region. Erica.
Yeah, joining us now live on the phone is Allegheny County Executive Sara Innamorato. Sara, good morning. Thanks so much for joining us. Now, we heard about the county's plan for this storm a few days ago. So at this point, do you think you guys planned appropriately?
Yeah. Good morning. And yes, I do think that we have planned appropriately, and we've had our truck drivers on the road since midnight. So we are out there doing the work. We feel adequately staffed. And, you know, what's great right now is that because of folks like you delivering up-to-date, vital information to the public, we've really seen people staying home, and traffic has been really light. And that shows in our 911 call volume, which has been average to low, which is a good sign.
That is excellent news over there, Sara. And also tell us how those drivers are faring so far. I know they've been working probably nonstop for the past several hours.
Yeah, so we had drivers start getting on the road around midnight. They are working 12-hour shifts. They are plowing the 357 miles of road that Allegheny County is responsible for plowing. And I just have to give them a huge thank you, and to all our essential workers. So our 911 telecommunications officers, the folks who are at work at the Canes and Human Services, Health Department, our public defender, our jail COs. You know, these are essential workers who are showing up while the public's staying at home because they still have vital services to deliver to our community.
Absolutely. And this is a storm that is just unrelenting, so they need as much space, as much time, and as much patience as possible. They're doing really important work out there, that's for sure. Allegheny County Executive Sara Innamorato joining us live this morning. Sara, thank you so much for being here, and extend our appreciation to the crews.
Absolutely.
Of course, will do. Thank you so much.